So I got this package from Ahmo's Floor store. If you know what is inside the packet, let me know in the comment section below, and if not, come on, let's open it together. So we are opening up the packet, and as you can see, the packing is sturdy. Whatever you order from them, flour or whatever else, it will never get spilled or wasted on the way. And as you can see, I got from them two things: oat flour and oat straw. You can get them together, but I got them separately, and I'll tell you why in a moment. So before you say, Dr. Asma, what are you doing talking about oats? Oats are not keto. Wait.
Stop. Seriously, stop.
So let's start with oats flour first. I have used their oat flour many times. I like it because it's clean, whole grain and much better than maida, refined flour. It has beta-glucan fiber, which means better gut health, slower glucose spikes and better cholesterol profile. But let's be honest, it is not keto. It is a clean carb, but it is not a zero carb. So if you are doing strict keto, this is not your best friend. But if you are doing balanced, hormone-friendly eating, it is absolutely wonderful. So if you are still watching this video till now, it means you actually care about what you are eating. And that already makes you 10 steps ahead. Are you team keto or team balanced carb? Do subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon right with it so you are notified first of all whenever we upload our wonderful videos. So how do I use oat flour? I make oat flour pancakes, gut-friendly rotis mixed with almond flour, oat banana muffins for kids, and hormone-friendly porridge. It is especially good if you are doing seed cyclings for your hormone balance. So if you want any of these recipes, just comment oats recipe and I'll make it for you. Now let's talk about oat straw. This is the real hidden gem. This is oat straw and it is not the same as oat flour. Oat straw is the green tops of the plant. Almost zero carbs, completely keto friendly and used as herbal nerve tonic. This is beautiful for anxiety, mental fatigue, stress, PMS, hormone imbalance and sleep issues. It's rich in silica and minerals, amazing for hair, nails and bones. And yes, I use oat straw in my luteal phase tea blend. So if you have taken my luteal phase tea, you have already experienced this magic. My patients who come to me in the clinic with infertility issues and their cycles are disturbed, I usually give them two teas, ovulation tea and luteal phase tea. And this oat straw is used in the luteal phase tea. And if you want to know more about these teas, do watch the detailed videos that I have made about these teas. So friends, did you know before this the benefits of oat flour and oat straw? Let me know in the comment section below. So now let's discuss how to use the oat straw. First of all, you need to get an extract of oat straw if you want to use it. To get the extract, boil some water and in a cup of boiling water, add a tablespoon of oat straw. Now cover it and let it cool down. If you want, you can strain it and mix some honey or any other sweetener that you like, but this is the way to get the extract of oat straw. It just nourishes the nervous system. It does not stimulate and does not sedate, just nourishes. So if you are still watching till here, you are officially part of my oat educated tribe. So if you want more such videos on health benefits of different herbs, do comment in the comment section below. And you can get both oat flour and oat straw from any grocery store. If you want an online link, do check out the description of this video. I have shared all the online links with you. So if you are 30 or 40, stressed, juggling family, hormone, work, this herb is honestly underrated. You need it. Food feeds the body and herbs feed the nervous system. So if next time someone tells you oats are not keto, tell them oat straw is and it is very beneficial for them. Take care till we meet next time. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.